Hi guys, welcome back to this series. If this is your first time here, my name is Alexander. I'm a professional trader with over 6 years of experience and the founder of the Trading Academy. This is episode 2 of our trading challenge where I started with just $5 and in the previous video we ended the session with $575 on the balance. Today we're picking up exactly where we left off. The question is, can we grow even further, or will this be the moment we crash? As always, I will be using my go-to strategy with the MACD indicator, showing you every step in real time, entries, analysis, risk management, and trade execution, fully transparent, no edits, no excuses. And if you want to access to my daily trade signals, live results, and educational content, join my Telegram channel. It's completely free and already has over 54,000 traders learning and growing together. The link is right below in the description. Alright, let's open the charts and find out if this is the day we break through or break down. So let's get started. So guys, let's continue. The next trading session starts right now. The first trade of the new round, MACD is giving a clear signal upward again. Green line crosses the red one from below, opening an up trade for 1 minute. The price is a bit shaky at the start, typical behavior right after a crossover. The key is to stay calm. Our analysis is very solid. So the price is starting to move up. Very good, that confirms our forecast. Most important, no interference. Final seconds of the trade, movement looks confident, and yes! First trade of the session is in profit. A strong start to session 2. Nice way to re-enter the market. Now, we do not rush. I'm scanning pairs of a solid signal. It's important not to trade just for action, only when the indicator is clear. Now this looks very interesting. MACD is starting to turn on these as said. Just a bit more and it will be time to enter, and I'm waiting for the right movement. And I'm waiting for the right moment. Signal confirmed. MACD crosses from above. Everything looks clear. I'm opening a down trade for 1 minute. At first, price moves slightly upward. That can be confusing, but we've got a clear signal. We wait calmly, no panic. Now we're just waiting. Now the reversal begins. Price is turning downward and looks like the signal worked. Movement is picking up. Final seconds of the trades, price is confidently below. Another profit. Yeah, 2 trades in a row. Great momentum, guys. 2 for 2, everything going to plan. So scanning again, no rushing, looking for the next asset. I need a clear signal. That's the foundation of this consistent trading. And here's a good moment. MACD shows a crossover from below. The green line rising above, opening an up trade for 1 minute. So first seconds, price is a bit jumpy, but you know, it's still above entry level. We're just staying calm. We're seeing some rejection. Price is moving downward. It happens actually, guys. Markets aren't always perfect, but it's not over yet. So final seconds and unfortunately, no recovery. Trade closed in loss. It's part of the game. That happens. The key is staying focused. No giving up, guys. We move on, quickly switching to another set. This is our currency pair. Looking for a clean signal. It's important to bounce back after a loss. Here it is. MACD crossed from above. Strong, clear signal. Opening a down trade for 1 minute. So price immediately starts moving down. This is what a perfect trade should look like. Strong confirmation of the forecast. Halfway through, everything going textbook. Indicators are very stable and price is falling steadily. Final seconds of the trade, movement stays strong, trade closes in profit. Yeah, great recovery after the last one. So back in control, let's keep it going. Going to the final trade, guys. Watching the chart very closely. We need a clean signal, no rushing. I see potential crossover. MACD is close to reversal. There it is, crossover from below. Green line clearly breaks above the red line. And this is our moment, guys. Opening an up trade for 1 minute. From the first seconds, the price moves up with confidence. Looks like a great entry, guys. So far, everything looks perfect. Halfway through, indicator remains stable, movement continues, and chart confirmation is holding, waiting for the finish. Final seconds of this trade, price holds above entry, nice and stable, and trade closes in profit. What a finish. That was a powerful session. That's a wrap for today's session. We started with the balance we earned in the first video, 575, but after a series of mixed trades, we are closing the session with $421. Yes, that's a loss, but that's real trading. It's not always a straight line upward. There are wins, losses, and moments where emotions try to take over, but staying calm, sticking to the strategy, and learning from every outcome, that's what separates a gambler from a professional. In the next video, we will continue exactly from $421 and see if we can bounce back and rebuild the momentum. This challenge is all about showing the full picture, not just the good parts. And if you want more of this honesty in trading, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes. Also, if you want to access to my live trades, daily market signals, educational content, and copy trading, join my Telegram channel. Over 54,000 traders are already inside, learning and growing every day. The link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, this isn't the end, it's just part of the journey. See you in the next video.